Okay, hi. This is our tree house. It has a dome all around the tree house and the tree field so the wolf can't get into it. It is surrounded with water so the wolf can't dig into our tree house. We can breathe in our dome and in the tunnels with the trees and the flowers that we grew. There is a tunnel so we can go into the tree forest so the wolf can exactly tell where we came out of. There is a door at the end of the dome that only the pigs can get into and exit through the piggy eye scanner. There are many cameras and elevators. There are many cameras and an elevator to our tree house, so the wolf can't get in, only the pigs can.